Tam. I'm a member of Chandler Sunset Library's Teen Advisory Group, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make caramelized pork. For this recipe, you'll need a pack of pork belly, half a cup of fish sauce, a fourth a cup of chopped green onions, 2 to 3 diced shallots, about a teaspoon of pepper, about a cup of coconut water, and optional sugar if you need it. First, cut up your pork belly into small pieces, then add your fish sauce, your onions, and your pepper. Mix that all together. Once you've finished mixing it together, bring the stove to high, and bring the mixture to a boil. After the pot has reached a boil, add your coconut. That did not happen. I can't see what I'm doing. After you add the coconut, put the lid back on and let it boil for about 15 more minutes. After that, you can taste test it, and if it's still a little too salty, you can add another teaspoon of sugar to sweeten it more.